Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up Guam Electronic Declaration Form on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Guam official government website, and right away they have this declaration form. So I tap on begin. Okay, so read everything, and once you are ready you can tap to I'm ready to fill out the form, and 72 hours before arrival it can be completed. Okay, passport number, country of issuance, first name, last name, arrival date, arrival vessel. So I'm gonna fill up some sample here. Of course I won't be submitting. Okay, so I have filled some sample information, but whatever you fill as per your case, make sure you verify at least 2 times, not just once. So passport name, country of issuance of your passport, your first name, middle name, last name. Middle name is not mandatory. Arrival date to Guam, so it's a drop down, you can select. Then it's asking whether you're gonna come through airline or flight, so I selected airline. Okay, and then I put this a drop down where you can select which airline, then flight number, country you began your journey from, and then city, then your city, and then primary place of residence applicable, date of birth, your date of birth, gender, where you wanna stay. Okay, total family members including you traveling with you. So if you're coming alone, just put 1 and go for next. Length of stay, how long you're gonna stay, so I'll select 5 nights. The trip to Guam is my first. Okay, and did you book your travel arrangements online? I select yes. It was made through a travel website. Where will you stay, prime reason for this trip, vacation, phone number and email. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to tap next. Now next is the custom declaration. Controlled substance, firearms, explosives, animal parts, animal products, plant products, soil metal sample, live service animal, carton cigarette, more than 1 US gallon liter of alcohol beverage. Wow. Do you have any that you are not bringing any of the listed good? Description of goods, I'll say not applicable, but yeah, do it as per your own case. Currency, I have currency of monetary instrument over 10,000 USD of foreign equivalent, I select no. Commercial merchandise, I select no, but you need to be very careful when you do this. Okay, so you need to certify, go next and submit. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but this is how it works guys, and I hope you got the idea. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.